Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. I will not let this flu come back onto me. I don't know what is going on in my immune system. Well, I shouldn't say I don't know what is going on, because this is how I have been my entire life. I catch flu in the tick of a clock, like in no time. I always have these flu-like symptoms. Anyway, you guys, happy Monday, and how are you guys doing? It is bright and early Monday morning, and babe just stepped out on his way to work. He's a little bit in front of me. I am not going to work this morning. That sounds good, doesn't it? I am not going to work, but I'm going to the head office to get some final paperwork done. So that's where I'm heading this morning. But my appointment is too early to leave out with babe, so I decided to just stay back and take a later bus. So I'm actually here waiting on Tyler to wake up to give him his bottle and get him ready, which I'm about to go and do right now. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make this week productive, make it awesome, make it amazing. Let nothing stand in your way of making you have a positive day. Let nothing stand in your way of having a smile on your face all day today. It doesn't matter what it is, just say, look, not today, and make it a good one. All right, so I'm about to go pick up Tyler, give him his bottle, get him ready so we can be well on our way. Oh, my boo-boo's still sleeping. Hey, Papa. Oh, Ty. Hey, hey, Baba. Oh, Mama wake you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Come. Take up your passy. There it is. It's behind you. Look, it's right there. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Come to Mama. Ah, sweet boy. You have a good night. Mama wake you. Oh, Mama wake you, baby. Mama wake you, baby. Mama wake you, baby. Yeah, let's go have your bottle. So if you guys know me by now, then you guys would know that my philosophy is never to be late. It doesn't matter where I'm going, I am never ever late. I always give myself time to reach in advance, just in case something might happen along the way. I have room for errors. So of course I reach my appointment, but I am like 45-50 minutes in advance of my appointment time. So I'm just sitting by the beach and enjoying the beach view until it's time for my appointment, and babe just said that he's at work. Babe is at work, so we're just here chilling until it's time to go in. Tyler is here enjoying the beach view, and it's early morning, so the beach is relaxed and chill and don't have much people. This is the time where I really enjoy coming to the beach, when it's like this. When it's too full, nada, but I really like it when it's like this. I really like it when it's like this. See a few people out, few people swimming, a few people just chilling and enjoying the sun. So as the morning goes by, more and more people start to strolling. The beach is filling up, and a lot of people is running by the promenade. B, touch the letter B. Good job. Alright, you guys, so it's time for me to head to my appointment right now, so let's go. So we have got back off the road and got my company phone and got my company ID, so that's awesome. Now that you guys know my little secret, I can freely talk about it. So I'm all set and ready for work. You guys, man, I have been napping like a baby. Can you tell? Look at my face. I've been just napping like a baby, but I don't know if I tell you guys, but I don't know what is happening, why I just cannot sleep at night. The past few nights I haven't gone to bed until after 1 p.m. That's when I want to sleep. Car, go and sit and eat, baby. I don't know why I can't sleep at night. I don't know why I can't sleep at night. I just cannot sleep. After 1 p.m. that's when my body is just going into sleep mode for the past 3 nights. But I think it will change eventually. As soon as I start working, my pattern will change and all that. When I say can't sleep, I mean I can't sleep early. After 1 a.m. is when I'm just ready to fall asleep. But anyways, I got a little rest, thank God. And if Tyler didn't call and wake me up, I would still be sleeping. But that's okay, at least I'll save some of the tiredness to go to bed early tonight. So I'm actually here now making something to eat. I'm just doing some eggs and plantain. That's what I feel for. So I'm gonna get some to eat and get some work in and make my day productive. So this is what I'm eating real quick, you guys. You guys know I love me some plantains. Doesn't really matter with a fry or green. And I'm just having them with some eggs. Grub time. And Mr. Slick, yes, what do you want? Yum yum. He's having pizza snack. No, what? You don't want it? No? Why? What's wrong? Huh? What is that for? Right. Right, 2, but that is the number 12 with that 1 and a 2. Yes, apple, good job. B, good job. C, good job, baby. Good job. Oh. So funny. In my favorite place in the house, the kitchen, of course. And since I cooked so much food yesterday, we're having Sunday, Monday. So we're having Sunday, Monday today. But I am making some fish to go with rice and peas for babe. I'm gonna have a little rice and peas too, but I have veggies. But I need meat, so I need protein, so I'm making fish right here. Listen, you guys, am I the only one, or am I the only chef who loves to eat fish so much but hates to fry it? Oh my God, I really hate frying fish. I've got so much burns in this lifetime from cooking and so many cuts from cooking, but the kitchen still remains, still holds a special place in my heart. I just love the kitchen. It's my absolute favorite room in the house, and I just can't get enough of kitchen. You guys, you hear my son outside? Let me see if I can find him. Hey you. Why are you screaming so much? What? Ball? Don't scream. Shh. Stop the screaming. Ball? Ball. Go get it. Big boy. You're big boy. Careful. Be careful, Ty. Yes. Alright you guys, so here's a look into my Sunday Monday, and I'm going to grab right now because I'm hungry. You guys, my big boy pick up his slippers, pick up his ball, and point to the door and says, Mama, park. So his request is granted. So I'm just taking him to the park outside because I'm sure the big park is closed by now. And I got back from the park actually had to cut short because mosquito was biting him and I didn't put on any repellent. So we came back and we're doing bedtime because it's bedtime, but baby's coming home late tonight. I'm doing bedtime alone tonight, so it's about to be story time. Wait, my little pumpkin. Yeah, story time. You ready to read? We're gonna read the Three Little Pigs. 1, 2, 3. Say pigs. Yep. Right. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Right. They were curious little pigs and eager to learn more about the big wide world. Say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Babe is finally home. He was home pretty late. So what do you have to say for yourself?
Tired. No, I just wanted to go. Well, not wanted. It's just at work. A person went to take a drink, so I just follow people as usually.
Yeah, follow fashion monkey.
Yeah, I'm follow fashion monkey.
That's right, follow fashion monkey.
Yeah. So no, that was a long day, but I won't say it's a bad day. It's just a regular Monday. What is bad is when you think about the rest of the week. That is 4 more days for next weekend. But I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I have to try to enjoy every day. It doesn't matter if you work or not work. I have to enjoy every day because most of your life you're at work. So I have to enjoy it.
Alright, you guys, of course, you know, Tyler is off to bed. And
I didn't see him today yet.
Yeah, sad, but that's what happens sometimes when you have to take care of other business apart from home business. I'm just going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression because we're going to just end the vlog real quick. The Jamaican expression for today is you have goat mouth. If a Jamaican say to you, you have goat mouth, it simply means that you always say something and it happens for real. Like for example, if I see babe running around in the house and I say to him, babe, you're gonna fall, and 2 minutes later he falls, the simple mean you have goat mouth.
Yeah, got God.
Goat.
Goat.
Yes.
Mouth.
Yes. Say it.
A goat.
You have goat mouth.
A goat mouth. You have a goat mouth. Go to bed.
You sound hilarious.
I have a goat mouth. Go to bed and then you go to bed. Wait.
You're ridiculous. Alright, what's the French
you
expression
want
or word for
French
today?
expression, right?
Yeah.
I have one. I have one. It's something that we used to say. Is tu veux le beurre et l'argent du beurre.
You want butter?
Yeah, you want butter and the money for butter. And some people will add and the person who made the butter. Simply mean that you want everything. For example, you give some things to someone and you say like you want more, always want more.
Okay.
So we say like you want the butter that I give you, plus you want the money that I use
to buy the butter.
Or it's like you pay for the butter, but you want the person who give you the butter plus give you back the money.
You really does want everything.
Yeah, and some person will say plus you will want the lady who makes the butter.
Alright, in tomorrow's vlog I'm going to tell you what that means in English.
You have to say it.
The Jamaican expression for that, I'm going to tell you what that is tomorrow.
Okay, so you say it. Vouloir le beurre.
Vouloir le beurre.
Et l'argent du beurre.
Et l'argent du beurre.
Et la crémière.
Et la crémière.
Right.
M-R.
Bam bam bam. Special dédicace to Melissa. Bam bam bam.
Crazy. Alright, you guys, make sure you guys get the expressions for today. We're just going to go ahead and tell you guys good night. Subscribe if it's your first time watching. Yes, baby's tired and want to sleep. If it's not your first time, please double check to make sure that your notification bell is on. And if you don't know how to do that, it's just that little bell just beside the subscription button. You just click it and it asks you if you want to get our notifications, and then of course you're gonna say yes, right? Turn on your notification, comment down below, let me know what you guys are up to for today. Let me know what part of today's vlog was your favorite part, even though it wasn't much, but we love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.